Hi everyone, I'm Jo and I'm part of the Reef Life Survey team at the Institute for Marine and Antarctic Studies, located in Lutruwita, Tasmania, on the land of the Palawa Pakana people. I'd like to begin by acknowledging the Muwinina people, who are the traditional owners and custodians of the land upon which that campus was built. Today I'd like to share with you some newly developed marine species search and identification tools, which the Reef Life Survey team have been working on recently. If you're not already familiar with Reef Life Survey, we're a citizen science program who use underwater visual census methods to survey reef biodiversity across the globe. As a citizen science program, it's really important to us that we provide our data to the public in a way that's accessible not only to marine scientists, but to all marine users. Our newly developed web tools build on our Reef Species of the World search platform and include an offline web app, downloadable, customizable field guides, knowledge testing quizzes, and a search species by image function. So if you're interested to learn more about how these tools are used and how they can benefit you, keep watching. So let's start out at the Reef Life Survey homepage, and from here we can navigate to the Reef Species of the World search platform. You might already be familiar with this search platform, but it has had a major makeover recently, including all of those new tools that I'll be showing you today. Now, if you're not already familiar with how to use this search platform, you can just type in the name of any species that you'd like to look at, and each species that Reef Life Survey divers have recorded on transects all around the globe will have its own unique species page, complete with some photos that our volunteer divers have taken, a species distribution map, and some other useful information. You can also generate a complete species list for everything that we've recorded in a given location that you're interested in. So let's head to Tasmania, click on your polygon tool and draw a shape around the region of interest, making sure that you double click on the final point to conduct your search. Now you'll be given a full list of all the species recorded for that region, and they'll be sorted by default from the highest frequency to lowest frequency. You can also change your photos displayed per species, and you can also change the sorting to sort them by name or frequency, whichever you prefer. So now I'll show you one of the new tools that we've been working on for this search. So instead of looking up a species by its name, you can now do that using a photo. So this new tool comes in handy if you've spotted a species, managed to capture a photo, but you just don't know what it is and you'd like to look it up. So the first thing you need to do is specify the location that you were in when you took that photo so that it narrows down the search. So let's say we were in New South Wales. We can use our polygon tool again to draw a shape around the region. Then we can click on our camera icon in the search bar up above and just upload your image. Once your image has been uploaded, click on search by image and you'll see our entire species library has been searched by our model, and the top result will be your closest match to your photo. So you can open and close your reference image there to compare to the results. We've got a spotted wobbegong there, which is a perfect match. So back to our Reef Species of the World search. The next new feature that I'd like to show you is one that will come in handy for when you're on a trip and you'd like to look up species but you might not have access to the internet. So let's go to Wajimuk, Rottnest Island for an example. Again, we'll use our polygon tool to specify our location. And what I can do now is download an offline web app that will give me these results even while I'm not connected to the internet. So all you need to do is head up by the search bar there to the additional resources menu, click on that and then select app. This will lead you to download the app onto your phone or other device, and from here you can conduct all the same searches that you would while you're on our website. To enable the offline compatibility, you just need to conduct any searches that you might want to be able to access offline while you're still connected to the internet. So let's go back to our Rottnest Island search. We can even use our advanced filters to filter down to, say, elasmobranchs if that's all we're interested in. And from our search results there, we can also view more images, so you can do either 1, 3, 6 or all available images in the catalogue. This just means you'll have access to more photos while you're offline. So everything that you're seeing here that I'm searching while connected to the internet will become available to me while offline. And the best way to test this before you head out into the field is just turn your phone onto airplane mode and make sure that you're getting the same results. Now, if you prefer to have a copy of your field guide that you can download as a PDF and print out, all you need to do is head back to that additional resources menu, click on field guide, and enter your email address and a name for your field guide, and it will be sent to your email as a PDF. These PDFs you can download and print, or you can keep a copy on your laptop, and they are fully customizable to whatever region and whatever group of species you're interested in. Now, the final feature that I'd like to show you today are some knowledge testing quizzes that we originally designed to help out RLS divers during their training, but anyone can use them and they're a great way to familiarise yourself with the species around you. So just head back to the additional resources menu and select knowledge test down below. And we can select our location from the drop down menu first. And then you can choose between a pre-training quiz, which is easy. We've also got an upskilling option, which is useful for experienced RLS divers looking to improve their species knowledge. So once you're in the quiz, you'll be given a series of photos from our species library, and all you need to do is identify that species. You can type in either the scientific name or common name into the answer bar and submit. Now, once you've finished the quiz, your answers can be downloaded for your own interest, but they're not sent to anyone, so you can really do this at your leisure and just have fun with it. I hope you've enjoyed today's instructional video, and hopefully you can get out there and give those new web tools a crack. We hope you like them as much as we do, and your feedback is always welcome.